Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials: SQL Developer installed and a compatible JDK present. Once done, confirm the database listener is up and reachable from your machine using the host and port. Make sure you have the correct username, password, and service name, or SID. These identify the target schema. Now open SQL Developer, and in the Connections panel, click New Connection. This is where you begin mapping those credentials into a working connection profile. Proceed to fill the connection form. Select Basic for direct host connections or TNS if you rely on TNS names. Aura, use SSH only when tunneling. Then enter the host IP or DNS name, port, usually 1521, and the service name or SID. This distinguishes the database instance. Click Test to validate network and credentials. This step prevents wasted time later. If the test passes, choose a descriptive connection name, optionally save the password in the wallet, and hit Save to keep the profile. Finally, connect and validate by expanding the connection tree and running a simple query like select one. This confirms permissions and network. If the connection test or open fails, one key troubleshooting tip is to verify the listener and firewall. Ensure the DB listener is listening on the expected port and that your client can reach it. Make sure your JDBC URL or TNS entry is correct. Check SQL Developer logs for specific errors. Adjust settings, then retry the connection after restarting the client.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.